Feels like a cement truck backed up behind me and poured cement into my head.
What?
Basically. And it's just hardening in my brain right now.
Hey guys, so I'm Kaylee Rogers. I'm a staff writer at Motherboard, and I cannot get brain freeze. I've never had it before. I talked to a neurologist. He couldn't tell me what's going on, why I don't get it. Turns out we don't actually know a lot about how brain freeze works. So I decided to do a little experiment. I'm going to drink a big Slurpee, see if I can induce it, and just in case I can't, I'm making everybody else from Motherboard do it so that I can watch them suffer. So I'm going to try and drink this entire slushy to see if I can induce brain freeze. I'm going to take the lid off. Okay. My esophagus is really cold. My teeth hurt, and my chest hurts, but my head doesn't hurt. I would feel it, right? I mean, I drank like the whole thing and nothing happened. Okay, that didn't work. I didn't get any brain freeze. My esophagus and like throat really got cold, but I'm gonna make everybody else do it so maybe they can describe it to me or I can at least witness what brain freeze feels like.
So I definitely get brain freeze, so this is gonna hurt.
Sorry, Adrian. Oh, you get it so easily.
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
It feels like at the very back of the top of your mouth, it's like frozen and it's like pain originating there that's shooting out through your temples.
What? Okay, I definitely didn't feel that.
I don't want to do this.
Oh.
When am I allowed to stop? I have the good sense to stop when it's too cold. It is. It hurts everywhere.
It hurts everywhere?
Alright, let's do it.
Do it. Oh, he's drinking so fast.
Going for it.
Something's happening.
Okay. Alright. Yep, that's it.
Do you think it's a problem that I don't get it?
Yeah, there must be like a brick wall between like your throat and your brainstem or something. I don't know. You should probably get that checked.
Drink this Slurpee.
Okay. Yeah. Already happened.
You just gotta walk away from the pain.
Yeah, I don't think I can go anymore. I'm done. It hurts so bad.
I really dislike brain freezes. It's actually one of my biggest fears. But here we go. I guess I just have to grip it and rip it and see what happens. It's like a flavor bomb buried inside of a glacier and then stuck inside my head. So I'm just like, ow.
It just hit.
I just do it like this. Oh no. This really fucking hurts.
You get it worse than anyone.
I have a very sensitive brain. It's highly tuned like a Ferrari, but it doesn't like cold.
I actually don't mind brain freeze. It's like a low budget AC, so on a hot day, I might do it on purpose, chug a couple of these or eat a couple popsicles really quickly. I kind of it's the cheapest high you can buy. I kind of like it.
Oh, now I'm even more bummed that I can't get it. I feel like I've learned a lot from this control experiment.